I'm going to walk you through 3 quick steps we use to generate ideas for final designs in Adobe Firefly, starting with step 1, mock-up creation. Many AI design apps help in creation and layout ideas. I'm using Adobe Firefly to shape the base design myself first, define the overall concept, then refine it with the AI prompter. I prefer keeping full control over the visual direction. I'm currently in Adobe Illustrator laying out a quick mock-up. It'll serve as a reference guide for the visual concept I want to create. Say I want to use our company's branding, and I know we tend to use diagonal layouts in our materials, so I'll start with that general visual logic, loosely placing my shapes here. I'll speed this up, so you're not forced to witness the pixel-flinging madness. That is my design process. This is the general layout I want to use to generate ideas. I'll add some text, then bring in some colors. I'm going with a cool color palette. Maybe that's part of our branding at Company XYZ or whatever. Let me position text content better. Now I have body text, some title, and now just a button to maybe launch my course over here. I need an image somewhere here. We'll use same diagonal idea. That looks good. Gonna position these guys a tiny bit. Let me add a picture here. Maybe construction themed? Excellent. I'm all done with my visual logic. This is basically what I want to ideate on and give Adobe Firefly some inspiration to work with. It has everything I need for my design course intro. I think that's it. And please remember, keep it rough and dirty. This is just a mock-up. So yeah, I'm good with it for now. I'll go ahead and save it as a PNG. Explore new ways to create. Yep, this is exactly why we're here, right? Look, AI's not here to steal our jobs, at least not yet. It's here to help us out, speed things up, and make our design lives a little less chaotic. The first thing I do is briefly describe what I want. Again, I'm talking about my visual logic here for the mock-up. I just summarize it with a simple statement. Looks good, click generate. While Firefly is thinking, let me show you how I set these up. Begin by setting your aspect ratio. Mine is 16:9. And don't worry about this craziness over here. This is Firefly going random. Fast mode gives you quick previews for mock-ups, perfect for speed and saving your Adobe credits. So make sure this is on. Scrolling further, this auto mode over here picks the best content type, art or photo based on your prompt, so keep it on. Then, here is where you add your own reference image to guide the composition. I already have my mock-up, so we'll use that one. I called it Intro Plate. I will bring it in. And over here, a quick disclaimer on copyrights, etc. We are good, continue. Our mock-up image should be here. It will appear soon. Scrolling further, here we have the style. This lets you adjust how bold or subtle your image's style appears. Basically, you're dialing the visual drama up or down. Again, I'm going to use the very same mockup I did. I think I've got a solid mockup. The layout works well. All I want now is a variation on the composition, following the same visual logic I set up in Illustrator. So I'll set composition to 100% and style intensity to 100%, then let the AI take it from there. Also strength. Okay, let's see. All looks good. I think we are all set. Time to get out of these craziness over here. My prompt, style, and composition are all locked and loaded. Good. This is the fun, satisfying part, honestly. So let us generate, see what Mr. Firefly has for us. Wait for it. Any time now? Boom, our first ideas have been generated. 4 really good ideas. I see heavy blue here and some orange. I think it picked that from my image. This looks too busy here. Not liking it. This is really promising. First, I like the orange edge here. This expanse of white is spot on. I like how the blues are broken up with a nice white patch. It opens up the layout perfectly for text placement and gives it a clean, minimal feel. I can see the AI is giving me some button ideas too. I'm really liking these 2 bands of blue here. Very cool. And they're nicely juxtaposed, with a deep blue hue for the title. I can definitely work with this layout idea. This last one I see nothing interesting. And there's so many other things you can do here. But I don't have the time to focus on that in this tutorial. Let me click here on it, show you something real quick. I'm gonna upscale it. Upscaling is a feature that enhances the quality and resolution of an image, making it sharper, clearer, and more detailed without losing the original content. So I'm gonna click and let it do its thing. It's processing, as you can see. Should be done shortly. Okay, seems done. Here is a weird twisted pic that I really don't care about. But the layout, look, it's excellent. This layout will form the basis of my design. Then here, we have Generate Similar. Pretty much creates new image variations based on your selected image, keeping the same style and theme with slight changes. It's perfect for exploring alternate versions without changing your prompt. And if I click it, I will get some options. Let me show you. Here are some options. Nothing interesting, to be honest. Apart from my favorite one here, I also like this one. Let me see how it looks. Not bad at all. I think we're done here in Adobe Firefly, so I'll quickly download these 2 and use these as a template base in Adobe Illustrator to create my final design. Okay, in Illustrator, now you can see where I started with my mockup and the extra boost I got from Adobe Firefly. You don't have to use Illustrator, you can jump into Figma and work your magic. From this point to my final design, I need to speed things up, super quick, so I can show you the grand finale. Since this tutorial isn't focused on the Adobe Illustrator workflow, I'm going to fast forward. See you at the end. And there you have it. That is my quick slide inspiration hack using Firefly. I hope this will inspire you to do super cool slides for your e-learnings. This is also a freebie you can download from our website, amongst other items. Also, while you're on our website, check out this storyline intro we created using the same technique I showed you in Firefly. The sky's the limit. I'll stop here for now, but please head over to craftuxd.com to download the best eLearning assets. If you found my tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe on YouTube and sign up for our newsletter from our craftuxd.com homepage. Until next time, cheers!